Gonna do a sound test for you. Did give you my layout in the other video about what I was running. I'll tell you what I'm using right now. In this video, I'm doing a sound demo for the pickups with just my tone and stuff, my settings on my delay and reverb. The pedals I'm using in this video are the Maxon OD808, the Boss dd7 delay set to a dotted eighth note, and then the Strymon Big Sky set to shimmer mode, just because I'm kind of a fan, and I know a lot of you guys are. So here's the video or sound of that. Hope you guys like it. There's a neck. Here's the middle. And then the bridge. Just for giggles, a little fill one. Middle. And then bridge. Thanks for watching.